So here's how you can get free stuff on Temu without actually inviting anyone. It's actually really easy to do. You just need to follow everything I say in this video and it's going to work. So you need to first open up the Temu app right over here and get into the home page. Now, once you are in the home page, go ahead and click on the U button on the bottom. Then now you want to, there's going to be a lot of pop-ups. You want to scroll down and then go ahead and click on settings. Now, what you want to do is go ahead and change your country and region to the United States. So click on country and region, scroll down, make sure you set that as the United States. So once that has been done, you want to click on the back arrow. Okay, now you're still in the U page. What you want to do is go ahead and click on categories at the bottom, and then now click on the search bar. Now you just want to type in a series of random numbers. It doesn't matter what number you type in. Just make sure it's pretty long, something like that, and click on the search bar. It's going to bring up this page where it says, sorry, can't join this inviters activity, blah, blah, blah. And then at the bottom, it says you can get actually free gifts. So go ahead and click on that. Get free gifts. There's going to be more pop-ups. You can just go ahead and click on the exit out button. And now you can see that you can see a lot of different options that you can choose from. That it's all $0. There's literally LED light strips for $0, iPads for $0, these controllers for $0. So go ahead and pick on whatever thing you want for free. So I'm going to go ahead and choose on this outfit. It looks really awesome. I'm going to click on pick it. And then you want to choose your color as well as your size. Let's just select your option for that gift and then click on confirm the gift. So we have picked our first free gift just like that. All right, awesome. Now let's just pick the second free gift. So you can actually pick up to 5 free gifts. Let's say we want this MacBook Air. All right, confirm. Oh, pick the color, confirm the gift. All right, so let's say we only want 2 gifts. We can pick up to 5, but I only want to choose to pick up to 2. So that's all I need. And then, okay, another pop-up. We don't need that. So then from here, what we want to do is click on the confirm button on the bottom in the orange. Oh my jeez, bro. Okay, click on the confirm button and then click on I'm good. And then it's going to bring up your address and then confirm your address. So if that is your address, then click on confirm address. If you don't even have one, then you want to add one. And then so yeah, confirm your address right over here. All right, so then now as you can see, we have cut $7. We still have $26 for the value. And then if we share it and then invite someone for friends, then you can get cut $1 to $2. And eventually once it cuts down to $0, then you get the gift completely for free. So that is technically how you would do it normally. However, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can do it without inviting friends, without really inviting anyone. And to be honest, the only way for you to get this free gift without inviting anyone is to essentially ask your friends and families to give you some money so you can buy yourself, or ask them to buy it for you as a gift, and then in return you could help your family and friends do something, maybe cook them some food, like make it an even trade-off and then get them to buy it for you instead. So that way, that is how you can get it for free. Hope that helps.